issue of network. I have Linda on the Q&A space. She says, I need to know, powered by companies, do they need to register at the PPRA? Say I work for a company but starting my own brand. Must I register my new brand? Or can I just work under another company powered by? Linda, so I don't know, the question is related to what Bobby was presenting on suppliers. Do you want to take that one?
No, it's for us, Naledi. It relates to property practitioners, I think. Thank you very much for that question. Okay, please note that there is no such thing as powered by. It is illegal, and we will charge anybody who is registered, who is operating under a firm in their own name and is calling it powered by a registered firm. Okay, that is not permitted at all by the PPA. You have to register. You cannot operate your own firm if you are not a principal, if you're an estate agent. Okay, first thing you have to do is qualify do your candidacy, qualify as a full status agent, pass the required board exam to be a principal, and then you can register yourself as a principal and you can operate under your own brand. You can't do so in any other way. Powered by is not authorized by the Act, it's not authorized by the regulations, and it doesn't exist in any of the regulated requirements. So if you call yourself powered by, you are going to get a disciplinary notice and you are going to have to come and explain. And bear in mind that we can take away your FFC, we can do all sorts of things if the adjudicator decides that that's what's needed. All right? So if you are operating under a firm, you operate in the name of that firm. You don't operate under any other name. Otherwise, it is a contravention, okay, of the Act and the regulations.
Thank you, Advocate, for that. RSV, please unmute yourself.
By company corporations, literally, under their own names, powered by companies. And powered by whoever the real estate company real estate services, mandated services, KW, you name it.
That's what
they are all doing it.
I need names of who they are. We have in fact issued that instruction to a number of different industries. Okay? A number of different entities. There were a number that we were aware of. If we don't know about them and we don't have somebody who comes and says to us, this is who's doing it and here's the proof, then
I'll send them to you. Because I have to say that from our agent's point of view, it was like, okay, so there's definitely two sets of rules here. And
No, there's not two sets of rules. The problem is an enforcement problem. Okay? We have to enforce this thing across the board. And when we find out about it, obviously the people who we find out about first are the ones who get nailed first. Everybody else gets nailed in due course. And we certainly will, because this was always, it was always contrary to the Act. Whoever developed it was completely contrary to the whole
Linda?
Yeah, we fully understood it. And when you think about it logically, it does make sense. It was just the enforcement that for us appeared to be incredibly unfair.
Yeah, they need to tell us who they are, and we're happy to do exactly what we need to do, what we did with you.
Okay, all right, colleagues. Because we have 15 hands, I want